I found that DeepSeek is really good at research, so I asked the AI to find the best 5 EAs on the internet so I could expand my portfolio of EAs. However, finding the right prompt took quite a long time. I asked multiple times, the server was busy most of the time, and when it gave me answers, they were never satisfying until I wrote the following script. Find the best 5 expert advisors or trading robots. I wanted to make sure DeepSeek knows what is expert advisor over the internet that I can use to trade on MetaTrader. As a result, I want to see developers' websites where they sell EAs. Or in other words, I wanted to see as a result developers or professional vendors who are selling their EAs, and I prefer to use these type of EAs because I'm risking my own money and I don't want to risk it with random stuff over the internet. Make sure these EAs have track records from FXBlue or MyFXBook websites. Also, the EAs need to have number 1, 15 days trial so I can test them. Number 2, money back guarantee. Number 3, proven track record on my FXBook. And number 4, reviews on Trustpilot for the website or the brand. And what is quite interesting with DeepSeek, it shows me the top, and it was thinking for 82 seconds. And it starts showing website 1, website 2, website 3, 4, 5, and then until 10 when it started putting it together. But then it says, well, website 8, Forex Flex EA clearly meets all criteria, while the trading might fit if they have a free trial. So the top candidates are, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, wait, maybe the user criteria can be met with the following from the search results. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until it showed 5 results, and at number 5 we have the GPS Forex robot. And if I click on it, it shows me the website, and the first thing I see is a video probably from the vendor. If I scroll a little bit lower, I can see that it costs $149, which is relatively low price for expert advisors if I have to be honest. And I immediately noticed 60-day money back guarantee, and that was one of the criteria I had in the prompt of DeepSeek. I'll scroll a little bit lower to look for the track records, and here is one, or actually 2. This one should be a track record, but if I click on it, it says that the system wasn't found. If I go back again and I click on the second one, I can see, well, this is the statement from MetaTrader. And that's not really trustworthy in my opinion, because this could be done on a demo account. Let's scroll to the top. Yeah, the account is hidden, the name is hidden. We don't know if that's real account, but I believe there was one more. Yeah, that one, the third one, which is actually from my FXBook. So here it is. You can see that the deposit of this account is $250 and it reached 1,241. Recently there was a huge equity drop, like negative 56%, but overall this looks like a profitable strategy. The track record is not verified, the life update is not activated, but it's a real account from FX Choice, and I can say this looks like 70 or 80% transparent track record of this expert advisor. And if I scroll a little bit lower, I cannot find a trial, right? A demo. That is what I was asking the DeepSeek. Even if I search for it or if I look for a trial, I couldn't really see this option from the vendor's website. However, the price is relatively low compared to most of the expert advisors on the market. We have this track record that I really like, to be fair, because it is suitable for small trading accounts. So I'll definitely dive deeper into this expert advisor. At number 4, we have the FX Prop Firm EA. Now when you click on the website, it says, can't reach this page. And quite often AIs give you the wrong link. So I tried searching for the FX Prop Firm EA on Google, and the first result is propfirm-ea.com. However, DeepSeek had an FX in front. The second result is the Prop Firm app from the Trading Academy. The Forex Flex EA, not really, and I could couldn't really find an expert advisor called FX Prop Firm EA. However, the closest was the Prop Firm EA, and if I go to the products, you will see that they have a few Prop Firm EA for euro dollar, that is at the price of $99. There is AI Prop Firm EA, that is $299. There is more expensive one at $500. Golden Strategies package for $300. I don't know this website, to be fair, but if I click on the cheapest, I can see only the option to purchase the robot, and I don't see track records, unfortunately. Maybe somewhere on the website, if there are any, they should be on the home page, but I don't see really any track records from the vendor. There are some results actually. Okay, that could be interesting. I will click on the first, and it says 5k live propfirmea.com, and it looks like they have some proof of performance from passing challenges. Okay, that is an FTMO challenge, and if you scroll over, you'll see plenty of challenges. Some are big, others are smaller, but it looks like they have some account statistics from plenty of challenges, and that's quite interesting. This is what you're looking for when you want to purchase an expert advisor to help you pass prop firm challenges. However, always bear in mind that prop firms don't really like copy trading, and it's against their rules if you purchase a robot and you trade it on a challenge. That is why you need to look for randomization option. The experts should have the option to make the trades unique for every user or for every trader. Otherwise, they will not give you the funded account. So that is quite interesting website that I found, and I cannot really say if this was the EA that DeepSeek suggested or I just found it from Google with the closest domain, and it looks interesting. I'll definitely check out these guys. At number 3 is Athena EA by Elite Currency. I hope I'm pronouncing these two words correctly, but if I click on the website, you will see that this is not just an EA you can purchase to trade. It is also a copy trading service, or this is where you can actually trade by profit sharing. If I show you the portfolio management, it says flagship Athena EA, and there is solo, so it's expert advisors for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But if I click on the Athena EA in the portfolio management, you will see that this is MetaTrader 4 EA automated system, and if I scroll over, you will see that here are the results. So it made like 0.15% the last 1 week, also the last 1 month, this year 0.84, all time 144%, and below the thing I just mentioned, that you can buy the Athena EA, and it works best with account equity above $4,000, and it could be used in a managed account where you don't need to set the EA, and here you can start with as low as $1,500, and I believe it will be copy trading and you will have to split some of the profits. However, the one-time payment is 1,000 euro. There is a rental option, and you can read more about the opportunities from this website. Another website I've never seen before, and it's quite interesting that DeepSeek showed these websites to me. However, if I decide to trade any of these expert advisors, I will definitely put them first on a demo or a Darwinex account, because the cost is 38 euro a month. If I click on it and I enter the coupon Petco, I will see a price of 30 euro. That's really cheap to get $100,000 account to trade with. And recently I prefer to trade more and more on Darwinex accounts when I'm testing new expert advisors, because it's a live environment. And what happens usually when you test on demo is that you might find a profitable strategy, you might find a profitable expert advisor, but when you move it on a live account, the results are totally different, simply because the brokers offer different conditions. But on Darwinex, it is a live environment, and for 30 euro you get a new account. And on the website of EA Trading Academy, you can see all of the Darwinex accounts I am currently trading. You will see that I have different expert advisors on each of the accounts, and you can track the results at any moment. And we also linked the track records, which is pretty cool. So at any moment you will see how each expert advisor is performing on these Darwinex accounts. They cost me about 240 euro a month, but I have $800,000 of capital to trade some great expert advisors, some new EAs that I cannot afford to trade with live capital, but I can easily trade them on Darwinex. So I'll leave the link down below in the description, and don't forget to apply the coupon PETCO to get additional discount. And at number 2, we have Valerie Trading's Percept Trader AI. And actually that's the only expert advisor I'm familiar with from all of the 5 expert advisors provided by DeepSeek. And by looking at the key features, I can say that all of the requirements are on the table. If I show you the website, you will see that they have indeed a verified track record with very promising results. To be honest, you can see how the expert advisor performs over the months, 1 to 2% steadily, and you can test it for free, which is very important. With the free trials, there are testimonials. You can see satisfied users. They have a Telegram community as well, and this is a little bit more expensive. $2,340 is the price of the expert advisor, and they keep increasing the prices all the time. There is 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the results, but I'll suggest first test the free trial and see if this is the right expert advisor for you. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, so don't bother to take notes, guys. And at the first place, we have the Forex Flex EA. That's an interesting one because I can see plenty of track records, and the price is somewhere between $350 and $500. Let's go quickly through some of the track records. You will see that the global DETDI, slope, cross and close, I have no idea what that means, but this expert advisor is on a real FX Open account. The deposit is $45,000. That's a huge amount, and you can see that it made nearly 500%. Probably there were withdrawals. Yeah, $14,000 as a withdrawal. If I go through the months, you will see that there were some negative months back through the years, but the track record started in 2020, which is pretty good. And I will go through the Flex EA results, and there are just so many. I checked those this morning again, and you will see that there are many demo, but there are many real accounts as well. So leave those on you to check out. And the other thing I wanted to make sure is available is if they offer a free trial or 30-day money-back guarantee. When I click on download, it gets me to the order page, and there are the features, how it works, but I don't see the option of free trial and money-back guarantee. DeepSeek pointed that those are available. So not all of the information was accurate, like 100%, but I have to admit that I found 4 expert advisors I wasn't familiar with, and I'm planning to invest and research in more details. And if you have experience with any of these expert advisors, please let us know down below in the comments. I want this channel to be community driven, so any feedback, any experience is useful, and I will bear it in mind. As always, guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. And before you go, check out this video on my site to learn more about the Darwinex platform, because one more time, it's a great opportunity to test new expert advisors. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.